A new era of automated welding begins. Introducing a dual-rail welding robot built for large-scale production. The system automatically detects the weld seam, plans the path, and starts welding instantly. Two robots work independently on different workpieces, maximizing flexibility and improving production efficiency for multiple welding tasks. For large structures, two robots weld different seams simultaneously, reducing processing time while maintaining stable welding performance. The result? Clean, consistent, flawless. Built for large-scale welding automation.